Namaste everyone, I am Manoj Kumar Singh. I am founder of Ruhe Mohabbat, which is a platform for supporting and promoting young talents and budding talents in creative field. Poetry, shairi, music, singing, writing, acting, whatever you are in creativity. So here today I am going to recite a poem from a budding writer and poet, Mr. Mohit Tulani. So here it is. It is called The Story of the Devil and an Angel. I liked it because it is a unique thought process where a devil and an angel, they fall in love. In a divine land far, far away, one evening the devil and the angel met. In a place very well set, angel was curious, devil was furious. They met at 9 holding a glass of wine. They had sweet talk on a long walk. She saw his pain. He saw his gain. Such a strong was her spell that he forgot hell. Those eyes were the only thing he remembered so well. She knew he was a sinner. He knew she was a believer. The contrast brought them closer. His cheeks turned red when she asked him out for a date. This was the first time the world witnessed the devil blush. For this was the first time he felt his heart beat. A devil and a heart. It was the first time the hell was decorated with roses, making even heavens envious of hell. And finally, the devil and the angel were on a date in hell. She was dressed in a white gown, which made his mind blow, while he was dressed in black. In his eyes did she seize his story in its full glory, for there stood a man burdened with his own plan. He stood against what was wrong, hence he was cast into hell for long. He soon let the destiny spell its cast and accept his fate real fast. Yes, he had committed sins. When he finally met her, he found a way for them to rinse. This was the time when in her arms did she embrace him. Such was their embrace, their wings found some space. She looked pretty with the black wings. He appeared dashing with the white wings. Both are mixing. Seeing this, his eyes teared, for losing her was the only thing he feared, 'cause he knew now she was the devil and he was the angel. For she had sinned with the devil, did she fall in love, and he was finally forgiven him, and he has finally forgiven himself. Even the hell froze when she was pulled to earth. He knew her worth, hence he began her search. On earth he possessed every person he saw to find her, but all his efforts went in vain. For thousands of years later, and she is yet to be found. Possessing humans, his search still continues. Maybe that's why they say the devil resides within you. The devil resides within you. I hope you guys like this poem and a unique way of telling a story by Mohit Tulani. And I wish him all the very best. That keep going, buddy, and keep writing, and you are going to make great. All the best.